Hey guys, how you doing? This is Kevin Zugschwert. Here's a quick lesson on how to play the Stranger Things theme song intro arpeggio on guitar. We're going to start it off at the top string on the 8th and 12th fret. Then we're going to go to the A string at the 10th fret. Next, go to the D string at the 9th and 10th fret. These notes combined together make the chord called C major 7 with the added C on top, the octave. Now play this in reverse, starting on the D string at the 10th fret and the 9th fret. Next, go to the A string at the 10th fret, then go to the top string at the 12th fret and the 8th fret. We can get through this faster and smoother by using hammer-ons and pull-offs. Let's start on the top string at the 8th fret by picking down and hammering onto the 12th fret. Then pick down on the A string at the 10th fret, then pick down on the D string at the 9th fret, hammer on the 10th fret, and pull off to the 9th fret. Then pick up on the A string at the 10th fret, then pick up on the E string at the 12th fret. And then begin the whole process again, starting on the 8th fret of the top string on a downstroke. There you go, keep practicing. And that's it for this lesson on the Stranger Things theme song arpeggio. I appreciate you subscribing to the channel and thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.